So now we will start up with this experiment, measurement of current, power and power factor of 3 lamps, incandescent, fluorescent and LED lamp. So before starting, I will just give the brief about what all components are available on this particular kit. So here we are having a wattmeter. The terminals are M, L, C and V. This is your voltmeter. This is your ammeter. So here internally the terminals of the lamps are being interfaced with the N terminals. This is for incandescent, fluorescent and this is the LED lamp. Then these are terminals wherein we are getting the supply, the single phase supply. So now we will start making the circuit as per the circuit diagram. So now we will start. So we will first make it with respect to the incandescent lamp. So one end of your phase, as referred to the circuit, one end of the phase should be connected to one end of your ammeter. The other end of your ammeter should go to M terminal of the wattmeter. Should go to M terminal of the wattmeter. L terminal of the wattmeter should be connected to one end of the lamp. One end of the lamp. Another end of the lamp should be connected to the neutral. Another end of the lamp should be connected to the neutral. Should be connected to the neutral. Now left out is this C and B terminals. As we know that MC should be shorted, so I need to short M terminal with the C terminal. Then V I should connect it to the neutral point. V I should connect it to the neutral point. Okay. Then left out is voltmeter. So voltmeter will come in shunt. So I need to connect this voltmeter . Across the lamp, or I can connect it across the supply also, so that I can just move that particular lamp terminals in all the 3 cases. Okay. So as we know that the basic intent in this particular experiment, it is to identify what is the amount of current consumption done by 3 different lamps. We want to identify what is the power factor of each individual lamp and what is the total amount of power being consumed by each lamp. So in each case we are going to iterate it. So let us start this. So initially, so I will just make this single pole single throw switch to go to the on state. So once if I make this particular lamp on, incandescent lamp on, so this is 40 watt lamp. So we can see over here it is consuming power of 46.21, approximately 46 watts. 46 watts. And we should just note down the value of this wattmeter, voltmeter and the ammeter. So this is what we have to do in this first set. Then next I need to connect these terminals which are available across incandescent. I need to now connect it across the fluorescent lamp. So this is my fluorescent lamp available here. I'll just connect it across the terminals. Now I'll switch on. So we are observing that it is consuming around 50 watts. The emitter reading is around 0.541 and voltmeter is 248 volts. So similarly, I'll make an observation for LED. So we can see current consumption by your LED lamp is very less, that is 0.029 amps, and since it's a 7 watt LED, approximately it's showing at 6.7 watts.